Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Testosterone.
Let's break it down.
This word is often tricky, but here's the correct way. Testosterone. Start with tes, then toss, add ta, and finish strong with ron. Together, testosterone. Now, let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Testosterone. 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 If you nailed it all 3 times, you just gave perfect power to the word that itself defines strength.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Testosterone. 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 Testosterone.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.